It's that time of year again. Time for a Gingerbread Bash. It's the perfect family event where we'll be building our own gingerbread nativity scenes, playing awesome games, singing songs, and we'll hear the Christmas story in a brand new way. Oh yeah, and we're gonna see some of the craziest, most insane, and downright ugly Christmas sweaters you can imagine. Best of all, hosting is a breeze. There's minimal preparation and no rehearsals. It's the perfect addition to your Christmas tradition. It's a gospel-centered event that's so fun that your church will be talking about it all year long. It's a great way to share the joy of Jesus with your church community. Learn more and order Gingerbread Bash today at gocurriculum.com.